Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to your second assignment in HTML. So what I want you to do is I want you to recreate this web page. So this task seems fairly simple. It's just mostly text and a few headers and stuff. But I've actually deliberately used some HTML elements that I have not taught you about. And the reason I've done this is because a big part of any designer job, or basically any job involving computers at all, is knowing how to Google your answers. Almost always when you're trying to do something hard, there's someone on the internet who has already done this for you and explained exactly what steps you need. So, in fact, if I zoom in so you can read this better, that's literally the text that I put in this assignment is the instructions for the assignment, which I thought was pretty funny. Now, here's some hints. You'll notice that there's text on the left and on the right that sort of fills up, sort of half-ish of the screen. To figure out how to do that, you're going to need to look up something called a table. I'm deliberately not going to tell you how to do that, but if you need to, there's the Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, reference for elements, and if you Google MDN table, guess what? You're probably going to figure this out. This one I'm not going to tell you how to Google, but you need to figure out how to get a quote character to appear correctly. Quotes, of course, are used inside attributes in HTML, so quote is a protected character in HTML. So you can't just put quotes in your text, or you shouldn't. In fact, I haven't even tried it. I'm not even sure what would happen if you try to use this. But anyway, there's a correct way to put quotes in text, which you're going to have to figure out. You'll also notice that, there's sort of a split here between this here. You're going to need to experiment to figure out when you want to use two P elements versus when you want to use a BR element. Finally, in terms of the headings, just a hint, it doesn't use H3, 4, 5, or 6. And finally, just to make your life a little bit easier, I'm giving you this text file. So you've got all of the basic text to start with that will help you, so you don't need to retype all this out, right? Just copy and paste. Okay, there's your task. Get to it.